So hi guys. So this video is for what material you need to carry for paper 6 IBS for September 25 attempt. So first of all, if you will have the drive link that is available on my Telegram channel, so you can search this in this drive link. So सबसे पहली file will be for relevant for September 25. So that will be compilation of case studies. जिसके अंदर क्या होगा कि all case study digest journal compilations are there, student journals. So you can see that it is opening in a while. So this you can see case study digest November 24, November 23, and the recently issued case study digest volume 2 September 25 is also there, and student journal of latest and all. If I'll go down now in this case study, there's just volume 2 that is latest in this current compilation. In this, only 5 to 6 case studies are added. I'll go down just a moment. So what I was showing you how much case studies that are added. So see, you can see here from 71 to 76, these are newly added, and these are only 6 case studies. So you can practice these and you can vouch them ki how these case studies are formed and what type of question being asked in these case studies. So it will help in practice. And second compilation is in which mock test paper, exam paper till May 25, mock test cover till MTP 2, RTP till September 25, IBS YouTube case studies. And in this na RTP September 25 RTP is just 2 case studies were repeated of earlier case studies. So I have not entered here. You can see the reference key which RTP and of which case study is related to 21 and 22. And here you can see that case study 21 and 22 of case study digest volume 2 is already covered. So I not entered twice case study in both the compilations. And what else will be there? And in this now these case studies, this compilation key IBS YouTube session case studies, these are very important. Someone should definitely try to attempt these case studies and see what type of question being asked in these case studies. And these case study will be almost at the end. So these are the case studies 140 to 145. Remaining are already covered. मतलब कि these are repeated case studies and from RTP, MTPs and exams. So I have not entered here remaining. So no difference will be there. And what else material that you will be having now? This is for September 25. That is any change which is there. From May 25, there is nothing any change. So if you'll go to this folder now, May 25 one relevant for May 25 and September, then this. So you will find subject-wise indexes also other than IBS compilation because that is new case studies are added. And for that person also, na, I have also added only additional case studies in this. So if I'll open, if someone is having May 25 version or the previous November 24 version, so that will be helpful for him. Case studies that are so you can see MTP, 2 MTP July and 1, suggested answer May 25 exam paper, this case study just volume 2 newly case study IDs and YouTube sessions case studies. So only additional case studies are there in this. And someone is if anyone is looking for the index of these case studies, so 4 type of index for both 100% compilation and only additional compilation I've already shared. So someone was looking na ki provide me the index of only YouTube case studies. So you can if you'll have this index na that will be helpful for you. You can find easily from this index only. कि सब्जेक्ट वाइज दिस फोर आई एक्सप्लेन अ बिट कि अभी मैं सबसे पहले इसमें ये बता रहा हूँ कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि व्हाट मटेरियल यू नीड टू कैरी एंड फॉर दिस ना रेस्ट fun moving with financial reporting you can see there will be 2 type of index TYK index and the concept index and both explanation will be provided in separate videos this I'm covering what type of files are there so concept index you should try to carry in this in the exam and similar for other subjects also AFML open there will be 2 type TYK and the concept and in this also not topic wise and chapter plus topic wise is there topic wise means any random topic will मतलब topic will be there not as per the relevant chapter and chapter plus topic wise in chapter wise then topic wise will be sorting A to Z will be there so that will be helpful like if we'll open AFM index now so if we'll go with this distressed securities if we'll find distressed distressed securities so you can directly go to portfolio management and you can see here key distressed securities company's valuation is there and all this thing is there मतलब कि डायरेक्टली यू कैन सी A to Z बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन व्हाट टॉपिक्स आर देयर. सो यू जस्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू ना कि जस्ट गो थ्रू विद दिस वट एवर द टॉपिक नेम इज गिवन. सिमिलर फॉर अदर फाइल्स ऑल्सो ना कि फॉर May 25 ना कि स्टडी मटेरियल से रिलेटेड जो भी इंडेक्स होगा ऑल स्टडी मटेरियल रिलेटेड अदर देन केस स्टडीज कंपाइलेशन दैट इज इन दिस फोल्डर ओनली. कि फिर गो AFM ऑडिट, corporate law. Corporate law, there are मतलब 2-3 type of indexes there. And then this is the amendment file. If anyone is looking at, I have uploaded amendment video also covering the same. 15-20 minutes will be hardly 15-20 minutes is there. And then SCMP this. And in this, I have already shared important topic file that is there. Ki what important topics are there. If anyone is practicing, you can at least go through with these topics. At least you should go. Ki, oh, business model, Mendelov metrics are very much important and all the things. So that is the thing, and it about the material that you need to carry. These are subject related. So according to your comfort, now you can carry TYK index and subject top concept index. So आपकी प्रिपरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग देख लो कि आपको कंसेप्ट इंडेक्स यू शुड ट्राई टू कैरी ऑफ. मतलब अगर आप स्टडी मटेरियल कह रहे हो देन इट विल बी गुड. इफ विल नॉट कैरिंग मतलब कि देन इफ जो सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक फैकल्टी है इफ विल प्रोवाइडिंग दैट इज फाइन विद यू. So in next video I will be covering how to use this file again. So thanks for this.